Ituyok yan.
What's up mga ka-livestock? Yung case natin ngayon ay isang bull. We have a case for today, a bull who has been out of condition and experiencing lethargy and weakness. So first and foremost, in treating the bull, we need to have a secure restraint. In this method, I've applied a very modern and highly technologically advanced method by using the bamboo sticks. You can see there, it's a bit slightly wide, but it's better than nothing. This method prevents the movement of the bull from side to side, which is a very hassle when we apply a large volume of medications. I've experienced in the field that the syringes or the needles breaks, or sometimes the bull or the animal will step over my feet or somehow run over me, or worst case it will run over the farmer. This is the treatment I've used. It's a multivitamins infused with ADE and B-complex. It's one of my highly favored drugs to use in the field to treat the animals. During treatment, it is highly recommended that you treat the animal in least stressful way. This is to aid in recovery and for the animal to avoid experiencing a very stressful method of treatment, which will eventually cause the animal to be agitated in future handlings, or if ever another set of treatment will be conducted, the animal will remember his stressful experience and it will lead to harder or difficult treatment. Always take into consideration to treat the animal in the least stressful way to prevent further hindrance or to prevent further hardships in treating the animal. So as you can see here, I've also treated the skin wounds from the biting flies, because if it will left untreated, it will probably lead to skin infection, and worst case scenario, it can lead to myiasis by maggots, aggravating the slightly wounds from injury received from the biting flies. So again, part of the successful treatment and restraint of the animal is to release it in a least stressful way to avoid the animal from additional stress. In this way, it continues, it facilitates to faster recovery and successful treatment. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and watching. And as always, glory to God.